Hello everyone, how are you today? Let's solve the question and crack the MRCS. Let's start the question. You excitedly embark on your first laparoscopic cholecystectomy, and during the operation, the anatomy of Gallot's triangle is more hostile than anticipated. While trying to apply a hemostatic clip, you avulse the cystic artery. This is followed by brisk hemorrhage, from which source is this most likely to originate. So here we can see the key point here is appulsion of the cystic artery. The second one is disc hemorrhage, and third one source of this most likely originate. That means the cystic artery, it originates from where? It is the question. So the options are right hepatic artery, portal vein, gastroduodenal artery, liver bed, common hepatic artery. So let's see what is the actual answer is. So we can see here this is the cystic artery which supplies the gallbladder. Here this is cystic artery, and this cystic artery supplies the gallbladder, and it originates from this artery. We can see here Y shaped, two artery present as a Y shaped. This one is right hepatic artery and this one is left hepatic artery. And the right and left hepatic artery, they arises from this artery, and this is proper hepatic artery. Proper hepatic artery arises from common hepatic artery, and finally it is celiac trunk and abdominal aorta. So from the abdominal aorta, celiac trunk arises, and celiac trunk provided three branches. One of them is common hepatic artery, and from there proper hepatic artery then divided into right hepatic artery and left hepatic artery, right and left hepatic artery. From the right hepatic artery, the cystic artery originate. So in this picture it is clear that the cystic artery, it arises from the right hepatic artery. We can see in the second picture, the this artery, this is the cystic artery, and it arises from the hepatic artery. In this picture we also can see the artery which originate from this large artery. This is abdominal aorta, we can see here. This is abdominal aorta. From the abdominal aorta, celiac trunk arises. You can see here the celiac trunk arises, and from the celiac trunk this proper hepatic artery arises, and proper common hepatic artery. From the common hepatic artery, proper hepatic artery arises, and proper hepatic artery divided into right hepatic artery and left hepatic artery, and from the right hepatic artery, cystic artery arises. So we can see finally the cystic artery, it arises from the right hepatic artery. So thank you all.